Hi guys, it's almost dark, so it's a perfect time to come out and have a look at JoJo. Just a quick update tonight about what's going on with whom. As you can see, JoJo is looking a lot better. He's putting on some weight. That's his new place where he goes to sit now, up on that tin roof. He's fed up being alone, I think, in the field. I don't know, but I don't want to get my hopes up, but he's certainly put on some weight. He was cuddling me this morning, and he started doing a lot of things that he hasn't done for a very long time, such as coming to bed. He hasn't done that since he started to feel sick. These little kittens are monsters. They just want to play outside in the field all the time. So who else we got? Amber. Yeah, you can see it's dark there. It truly is dark there. Amber's eating with the other little monster, but you can't see that. Bruiser, in about 7 days time, Bruiser's finished his second lot of GS tablets, so he's had a second 84 days. That's Lucky the dog coughing. We've got Lucky for a few days. Her owner's away, and she's really not well. It's a shame for the little dog. Medication every day, it's her heart, but it manifests itself with this crazy coughing. It's a weird kind of coughing. Who else we got? Dom Perignon, also in about a week's time. He has finished his GS medication, so he's on about day 77 right now. So effectively he's cured of the FIP. I think he's going to Germany. I think in September. I hope. It's Fred. He misses his sister, you know. We all do, but Fred particularly misses his sister. Looks okay, Lucky. Don't worry, baby. We got the glorious old moon. Won't focus though. No, I won't focus. What else is going on? Amber's looking a lot better. She clearly needs work on her teeth, but she's too weak for that yet, too frail. But she's got the FIV thing, but they can live with that for some time. I don't know what we're going to do. They're far too interested in going round the front. It's not ideal at all. It's much better if they stay here in the field. What does he see? I can't see what he sees. I think the swallows have gone now. It's far too hot for them, so they've migrated somewhere else, I think. It's been hot today. We've got a hose pipe ban. There's the little one. Something's frightened her. Ah, Nuri. They play like crazy. It's like they've known each other all their lives. Actually, I know their lives are very young, so that's quite a stupid thing to say. So, even a week in the life of that little one is a long time. She's a real tearaway. The lights have come on so you can see how dark it is. I mean, they recognise that it's no longer daylight. The bats will be coming out now, and the cats chase the bats, but they never catch them, fortunately. Max has been a bit sick. Again, it's too dark here to see him. He's been off his food, but I think it's the heat. I think it's the temperature. And there's his doppelganger. I think the lady who was looking for her lost cats came around here the other day. I saw them. They parked their car on the road over there, and she looked really upset, actually. As you can imagine, there's the bats. And it's been weeks since they lost their cats. They escaped from cattery. They'd put them in the cattery while they were on holiday, so I believe. There goes the other little recidivist. And their two cats escaped. So I think they maybe stopped on the road there because they saw Chico. And one of the cats from the photograph looks an awful lot like Chico. And I think that's why she got upset. I didn't speak to them. I just let them get on with what they were doing. And it's only later, when we saw the flyer in our mailbox, we knew what was going on. I initially thought that someone had hit a cat on the road and had it stopped, which normally people don't do. That's how upset she looked. So it's a shame. I know how it feels. We've lost plenty. Alright guys, it's getting really far too dark for any of this now. You can't see very much at all. I'm amazed that the camera can still focus in this light. Still no luck with the moon though. Can't do that, can you, camera? No sir. Because the moon's too bright in comparison to its surroundings. That's why it can't focus. I could make it, but I'm not gonna. There goes JoJo, on watch for snakes. It's amazing what the camera can see. The tree's completely black to me. I can't see any detail in the tree. Alright guys, have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.